This cartoon first appeared on February 28, 1863, in a newspaper called Harper's Weekly. However, the artist is unknown. As the nation was dividing, so was the Democratic Party during secession. They called themselves Peace Democrats, while the opponents called them Copperheads because they wore pennies as badges. Since Lady of Liberty was on the faces of pennies, they used her to symbolize people concerned about their rights. The Peace Democrats were opposed to the war and wanted immediate peace with the South. At that time, the majority of Peace Democrats wanted to save the Union. It was believed that the Republicans supported the South to secede. It was also said that the Republicans wanted war in order to establish their own domination, because they had states' rights and to have racial equality. As a result of their dispute on different parties, their point of views of each other were not pleasant. The lady standing is the Lady of Liberty. The star on her head symbolizes that she is the shining star, since she symbolizes liberty. This cartoon demonstrates the Republicans' opinions of Copperheads, who are liberties trying to fight Copperhead leaders. The shield is the protection for Lady Liberty. She's using it to protect the Union. She is also using a sword to protect the Union from the 3 Copperhead snakes. The 3 Copperhead snakes are wearing hats because they symbolize 3 of the Copperhead leaders. The snake on the right is Clement Laird Bellingham. Clement was an Ohio politician and leader of the Copperhead Party. On May 5th, Bellingham was arrested as a violator of General Order No. 38. His supporters burned the offices of Dayton Journal, the Republicans' rival to the Empire. Bellingham was tried by a military court on May 6th and 7th. He was denied a writ of habeas corpus. He was sentenced to 2 years imprisonment in a military prison. The 3 Copperhead leaders are viewed as snakes because the Republicans liken them to the venomous snakes, which snake and strike without warning. The Republicans viewed the Democrats as snakes trying to ruin and attack the Union. This cartoon is valuable because it showed us the emotions that the Republicans had for the Democrats.